Okay guys, this is Mark from HCM Jetters in Runcorn, Jetting Services North West Limited, Runcorn in the UK. Manufacturers of high pressure water jetting equipment. Now what I'm showing you now is the HCM Projects system. Now this was designed for a drainage company who asked us to make a machine that they could carry to the jobs, to the back gardens, to do the gullies and stacks and domestic jobs, and also to do a lot of multi-storey car park jetting, drain jetting of car parks. They needed something that they could go up to the top of the multi-storey car parks and jet the stacks down. And the feedback we've had off these have been absolutely outstanding. And since then we've started adding a few attachments, which I'll show you in a minute. But first I'll show you the system itself. So it's a fully contained system, which is what makes it quite unique, in that it can be carried anywhere on the job. It's got its own water tank, it's got its own hose reel, hose, engine and pump, and also all your controls, so your water on and off, as opposed to just turning the engine on and the water starting to come straight out the hose. This can be, you can turn the engine on, put the water valve on, off, and it'll just circulate all day. Now you'll get about 5 minutes jetting time out of a full tank, so it's ample for doing a lot of the jobs. And also you can plug straight into the front of the machine, the front garden hose, plug straight in there, and it's not going to overflow because it's got a ball cock system inside it. And also we've got a secondary fill point there on the top of the tank with the tail end on. Now that's so you can add whatever you want on whatever type of fitting that you use for filling up your tanks. Now at the moment, coming off, we've put it onto one of these lances which has the M22 fitting on the end and the attachments there. So you can see we've got the whirl away, 14-inch whirl away, the fan lance and the turbo lance for doing driveway cleaning or any type of cleaning. And you've also got your drain jetting equipment then, which is firstly this one will go straight onto the end of your trigger gun to give you more control, internals, inside, you know, sinks, basins, things like that. And then you've also got your standard, which goes on the end of the hose, which is a straight through hose, which is your standard type of drain jetting hose really. So I'll show you, have another little walk round, and we're going to do a separate video of it obviously using the machine. And we also have a drain off point here, right in the corner there. Turn that valve and starts draining off. Soap inlet on there as well. So like I say, you'd start up the engine and no water's going to come out the end of the hose even without the trigger gun on, because it's just going to recirculate back in, straight back into the tank. And it's only when you'll turn this on, and that's when the water's going to start coming through. So it's ample for drainage, nice and safe. But these, as I say, the feedback on these have been absolutely incredible, and the lads who use them will love them. So inquire now if you want one. They're not as dear as you think, and they come with a range of attachments, and there's new attachments being added to them every day. Okay, so this is Mark from HCM Jetters in Runcorn, and this is the HCM Projects system. Thank you.